We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello students, today we will discuss about some important questions. The first question may be explain the term aliquot and diluent. So aliquot it is a measured sub-volume of original sample. Diluent it is material with which sample is diluted. What is molarity? Molality. Molarity is the number of solutes that are present in 1 kg of solvent. What is titration? Titration is the process to determine the molarity of its base or acid. In this process, a reaction is carried out between the known volumes of a solution with a known concentration against the known volume of a solution with unknown concentration. So, what is buffer? Buffer is a aqueous solution which has a highly stable pH. It is a blend of a weak acid and its conjugate base, or vice versa. On adding a small amount of base or acid to buffer, its pH hardly changes. So how the buffer works? In a buffer, when hydrogen ion is added, it will be neutralized by the base in the buffer. Hydroxide ion will be neutralized by the acid. On the overall pH of the buffer solution, these neutralization reactions will not show much effect. While when you select an acid as a buffer solution, try to use an acid that has a pH close to your desired pH. This will help your buffer to achieve a nearly equivalent amount of acid and conjugate base so that it will enable to neutralize as much as H plus and OH minus. What is mole? Mole is the unit used to define the number of chemical substance present in a substance. It is the amount of substance which consists of the same number of chemical units as there are atoms in nearly 12 gram of the pure carbon 12. So how we'll calculate how many moles of glucose present in 320 ml of 5 molar glucose solution. The answer will be first step convert the volume from the milliliter to liters. Second, use the formula m into v. So this will be the answer for that. Explain what is the difference between fractionation and distillation. Both methods are used to separate the components present in the solution based on the melting points. Distillation is the technique used when the boiling point of the chemicals are different in the mixtures. Fractionation is the technique which is used when boiling point of the chemicals are close to each other in the mixture. The question number 9, mention the formula to calculate the pH of the solution. In order to calculate the pH of the solution, you have to use the formula pH is equal to minus logarithm H plus ion. What is the difference between the molarity and normality? Both techniques are used to the amount of chemical present in the solution. However, they are almost similar but different in uh, molarity, which is used to know the total amount of molecule in the 1 liter of solution. Normality is used to know the total number of reactive units in 1 liter of solution. It is molarity is expressed as moles of a compound per liter of solution. It is expressed, your normality is expressed in equivalent per liter. So what is valency? Valency is a property of groups or atoms equal to the number of atoms of hydrogen that the group or atom could combine with or displace it in forming compounds. Define Avogadro law. According to Avogadro law, at the same temperature and pressure, an equal volume of gases contains the same number of molecules regardless of the chemical nature and physical properties. Avogadro number is equal to 6.023 into 10 to minus 23. Explain what makes a molecule into the organic molecule. In a molecule, when a hydrogen atom is less than the ratio of the carbon atom, then such molecules are referred to as organic molecule. Which metal is used to extract copper from the solution of the copper sulfate? Fe or ferrous is a metal that is used to extract copper from the solution of copper sulfate. Explain what is the chemical composition of fat and the human body. The fat found in human body is mainly composed of glycerides, of phospholipids, glycolipids, inosines, and tocopherols. What is the monomer of polyethylene? So these are the several questions which may be asked by the examiner, and this kind of calculation is also over here. So these kind of questions has to be prepared by the student. Thank you. This is the end of the lecture.